Matt and Melinda lived in North Asheville, up a steep hill on a wooded lot. They've seen windstorms before, so when the remnants of Hurricane Helene were predicted to hit the area, they took usual precautions. They even decided to camp in the basement. But when the storm hit, it was anything but normal.
There were a lot of strange noises for the house at that point. It sounded like a water park upstairs. Water was pouring everywhere. And
we felt pretty safe down here until the water started to come in. And you can see, this is full of water here. So water was coming through the light fixtures and the outlets and coming down the stairs. So water had started to come down to where we were sheltered here.
Right.
And that was when we realized that we probably needed to try to find somewhere else to go.
It reached a point where every 30, 40 seconds, the wind would spool up and something else would hit the house. And then the living room kind of exploded, and that's when I realized, we're not going to save what's going on here.
Right.
The kids and I were down here, and we were huddled together on the bed that we had set up, our camping bed, and just, the kids were terrified, and while all along I'm actually wondering if we're going to be okay, but we laugh. Our way of dealing with situations is humor, and so I think along the way we were trying to make jokes, but it was quite a serious situation.
So we were down here until the storm got to the point where it started leaking in here, and then we came out to the garage, and this area right here was kind of the last point where we didn't have water pouring on our head. So even in the corner of the garage over here, it started leaking. Water started pouring out of this corner. This was the last dry area. Above is our master bedroom, so that's where the roof still was. And we were just distributing snacks and trying to figure out our next move, and my neighbor came down and started banging on the windows and everything because they thought we were buried in the rubble.
He said, Matt, and that was when we knew that he was outside trying to get in here to find us. But the door upstairs was blocked, and the hurricane was still going at this point, and so he was just trying to get to us at that point.
My neighbor's a good friend, and to put himself at risk like that, it was amazing. So yeah, we grabbed our family and we took off running with them. I don't know.
Watch new episodes of This Old House, A Carolina Comeback this fall on your local PBS station and stream on the Roku channel.